Hi, I'm Jen, President and CEO of the Chiropractic Educational Network. We've been training and empowering chiropractic assistants for over 35 years and are the proud hosts of the CCPA licensure program. Our licensure program is a game changer, packed with 12 dynamic modules designed to turn you into a master of all things chiropractic office related. Class 11 is where we learn about first aid and emergencies we might encounter. We'll learn how to initially triage a patient until paramedics or professional help arrives. Class 11 is a program favorite as we bring in lots of gauze, bandages, and tape so you can practice what you've learned on your fellow classmates. To learn more about the CCPA program and what we have to offer, visit our website at chiropracticeducationalnetwork.com. Your future starts here.